So I'm sanding down the legs so that I can glue on the claws that I made with the amazing mold rubber and the amazing casting resin. So in my first video, I actually show how I made the claws out of the amazing mold rubber and the amazing casting resin product. And if you haven't seen it, then take a look at it. So I'm just making sure that the resin claw does fit perfectly onto the leg. But I noticed that on the side, it's actually missing a little bit of the resin. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the wood filler to fill that missing piece. So I'm gonna cover every single inch of that claw with the Gorilla Wood glue. So I'm going to take some tape and wrap the claw and the leg so that the claw does not fall off and it stays in place. So in the first video, I explained how the previous owner had cut all the legs in the same angle. Well, that wasn't the case. One of the back legs he actually cut in a different angle. So I had to cut the resin to fit that back leg. So here I'm just measuring how I'm going to cut the resin. So I'm going to cut through the resin claw leg so I can get the right angle to be able to add the resin claw leg onto the wood leg. So this is the claw that the previous owner had saved, and I'm just gonna glue it on. So now I'll be using the wood filler to fill in those gaps that are missing. For instance, this is the leg that the previous owner had cut a little bit differently. So I'm going to take a good chunk and just add it onto that space that's missing. I'm going to try to mold it so it looks just like the claw. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped. Please don't forget to like my page and subscribe. Thank you.